Ever pondered the possibility of attracting more money into your life? Imagine living a life of abundance where financial worries are a thing of the past. Today we're delving into a technique known as the 369 rule, an intriguing concept linked to the power of manifestation and the law of attraction. Picture this, a method that harnesses the power of your mind to attract wealth. This isn't a magic trick or a get-rich-quick scheme, but a manifestation tool rooted in the principles of numerology and energy. It's called the 369 rule. So what is this 369 rule, you ask? It's a manifestation technique that employs the power of writing, repetition, and numerology. The numbers 3, 6, and 9 hold significant value in this practice. They are said to represent the universe's fundamental components: energy, frequency, and vibration. Now, how does one apply this 369 rule to manifest more money? Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1 involves choosing a clear and specific affirmation related to your financial goal. It could be something like, "Wealth flows to me effortlessly and abundantly." The key here is to believe in the power of your affirmation. Step 2 is where the number 3 comes into play. Write your chosen affirmation 3 times in the morning. This sets the tone for the day and aligns your thoughts and energy with your financial goals. Step 3 brings in the number 6. Write your affirmation 6 times in the afternoon. This reaffirms your goal and keeps it at the forefront of your mind. Finally, step 4 is where the number 9 shines. Write your affirmation 9 times before you sleep. This embeds your goal into your subconscious, allowing it to work its magic even as you rest. Remember, consistency is key. Repeat this process every day, and soon you'll start noticing subtle shifts in your reality. To recap, the 369 rule is a powerful manifestation tool that uses the power of writing, repetition, and numerology to attract abundance. It involves writing a specific financial affirmation 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, and 9 times before sleeping. The numbers 3, 6, and 9 are not arbitrary, but hold significant value in this practice, representing the universe's fundamental components. So, dare to dream big and take control of your financial destiny by implementing the 369 rule. Remember, the power to change your life lies in your hands, or in this case, your words. Harness this power, believe in your goal, and watch as the universe conspires to make it a reality.